Computer science powers nearly everything around us, from your phone to cloud servers and the apps you use every day. In this video, we'll understand the three core pillars of computer science: operating systems, networking, and DBMS. Let's break them down in the simplest way possible. Let's start with the operating system, or OS. An operating system is the software layer that sits between you and your computer's hardware. It manages memory, processes, storage, files, and even how your apps communicate with the device. Think of the OS as the manager of a huge workspace. It assigns tasks, monitors staff, organizes resources, and ensures everything runs smoothly without conflict. Some of the most common operating systems include Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Without an OS, your computer would simply be a lifeless machine with no way to function. Now let's move to networking, the system that allows computers and devices to communicate. Whether you load a web page, send a WhatsApp message, or stream a video, networking makes that communication possible. In networking, data travels in the form of packets through cables, fiber optics, satellites, or wireless signals. These packets follow sets of rules known as protocols, like TCP/IP for reliable transfer, HTTP for websites, and DNS for domain name resolution. Networking is the backbone of the modern internet, connecting billions of devices across local networks, wide area networks, and global servers. Finally, let's talk about DBMS, the database management system. A DBMS helps store, manage, and retrieve data efficiently. Every application you use, from banking systems and e-commerce platforms to YouTube and Instagram, relies on databases in the background. A DBMS ensures that your data stays organized, secure, and structured. Relational databases like MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and PostgreSQL use tables and SQL queries. Meanwhile, NoSQL databases like MongoDB and Firebase store data in flexible formats for high-speed apps. In short, DBMS is what allows apps to remember your login, save your purchases, and show you personalized content. So that's a quick overview of the three foundations of computer science: operating systems, networking, and DBMS. Want more tech basics explained simply? Hit like and subscribe and comment below, and follow on Instagram for more.